So today, we have worked on the second section, but those are in the ground about 4 to 6 feet, as you can see by those over there. It's making it very hard to get them out. So we're probably gonna rent a backhoe to get those out. In the meantime, Tabitha and I are working on getting our worms out of these beds here to put them in our first section up there that we've got cleared out already. Once we get these moved out, then Blake can get these bins out, and then we can clear everything else out and rent the backhoe. So hopefully by the end of next week, we'll have this thing cleaned out. All right, guys, until next time, we'll be posting again soon.